Hello, this is College Work, and welcome to another computer live stream. And today, as you can kind of see, what we are doing in this stream is we are going to be looking up cars today. I know that also it will come up with the Cars film as well. Not just cars, it will come up with the Cars film as well. As you can see, there's a few here. I've actually seen the Cars film, the first one. I've seen them all, by the way. I've seen every Cars film. So yeah, it will come up with that. But yeah, before we do that though, I just need to tell you something you might have noticed when you do click on this live stream. So, first thing I want to say, by the way, is the thumbnail is completely different. It's actually got the Google logo on it. Now, I wasn't actually expecting to have the Google logo as the thumbnail, but something that has kind of really annoyed me now is you can't do thumbnails. You can't do thumbnails on the camera anymore compared to what you used to do, by the way. So they've actually updated it. So the way how you do thumbnails now is you do it where when you upload a video. So yeah, when you upload a video, they've kind of done it that way now. So what they've done on live streams is they've done exactly the same thing. They've done the same thing. So thumbnails are kind of quite tricky to do now because the way I'll be doing them now is to either copy a picture on whatever, or do it my old-fashioned way. So it feels like that now I'm going to be doing thumbnails by pictures now, rather than doing it on the old-fashioned way again. The thing that I want to know is they've done it, if they've done it on phone version as well. That's the thing I want to know as well. Yeah, I want to see if they've done it on that version as well. That could be a thing. I don't know, or it might just be this version. I don't know. But yeah, it's kind of really annoying now because thumbnails are going to be quite difficult to do now, unfortunately. But hopefully next week I will hopefully work them out because I've only got one more live stream after this one because I obviously I don't stream at weekends. And then when I'm back on Monday again, I'll hopefully figure out some different different thumbnails I can use. So hopefully that'll be a cool little thing. So what I've been thinking is to use the Google logo for tomorrow's one as well. And then next week, I'll try and hopefully have different thumbnails for each day of when I live stream on the computer. So I'll let you know. Another thing they have done as well is they've changed all the setup as well. Like all the setup's completely different as well now. As well, I think the setup is more better from what it used to be, but it's just like all the thumbnail strategy that I'm not very happy with. But yeah, it's just all that I'm not happy with. But I'll have to get used to it. Let's get used to it because they've updated it. Anyway, right, we'll stop rambling on about that now, and we'll talk about this live stream. So, yeah, so I might as well just look at all these cars today. I just thought I would look at all these today, and yeah, I'll just kind of show you guys. So, yeah, so as you can see, it's got loads and loads of different cars on here. Obviously, I do know kind of a lot of cars. I do know kind of a lot of them. But yeah, I don't know kind of a lot of cars because I'm not really the big expert of them. But I do know kind of some of them, and yeah. So yeah, it will come up with loads of random ones. That's what it will come up with. But yeah, at the moment though, it won't probably come up with like all of them because I know that most of these will come up with obviously the Cars Pixar picture, obviously the first Cars film that came out. So I know that will be most of them. But yeah, it won't come up with like kind of like a lot of things on here. But I thought I would show you them guys. Really, that's what I would do. So yeah, I just thought that's what I would do. By the way, so as you can see, there's a whole load of different ones on here. Yeah, loads of different ones. So yeah, that's that. Any more? What? And that is the end. Because not really a lot, is there? So yeah, that's all of them really, guys. Yeah, I just kind of wanted to show you them all if you're interested. So yeah, I will be getting a car at some point. I don't know when. Maybe next year or the year after, because I can actually drive now, by the way, because I am 21. Obviously, for driving lessons, it's 17, isn't it? So yeah, at some point I will be driving. I kind of decided like I didn't want to really drive when I was a bit younger. Like when I was like over 17. When I was like 18, I didn't want to really drive then. But I've been thinking maybe when I turn probably 23, that's when I probably will drive. Or maybe when I turn 22, actually, I might drive. Definitely not this year. Yeah, it might be when I turn 22 or 23, I might start driving. That's what I have been thinking of. But yeah, we'll just have to see. And yeah, we'll see where we go with that. So yeah, that's kind of what I wanted to show you today. Yeah, I don't want to make this like very long, so I don't want to like kind of show you them all. But yeah, that's kind of them. So yeah, just wanted to show you them. Just loads of different cars on here. Yeah, loads of different ones, and stuff like that. And yeah, and as I mentioned before, yeah, I have seen all the Cars films. Yeah, I've seen all 3 of them. Wait, is there a number 4? Do you want a number 4? Is there? Was there a number 4? I don't know whether there's a number 4. No, I know that I've seen 1, 2, and 3. I'm not sure if there's a 4th one. I need to search that up at some point. I'm not sure if the 4th one ever came out. I can't remember. But yeah, that's kind of all I'm going to do today. We are on nearly. Yeah, I'm going to stop it at 9. So, yeah, I think that's everything I'm going to do for this stream today. So yeah, what I'll do in the next stream is I'll show the cars again. That's kind of the main idea I'm going to do for the next one, because I was a bit delayed again on this live stream. So yeah, what I'll do in the next stream is I'll kind of show all the cars again, and then next week I'll kind of do something a bit different. That's what I will do for that one. But yeah, all in all, that is going to do. Hopefully you did enjoy. So yeah, that's going to be everything I'm going to do. So, yeah, that is it. So yeah, thanks for watching.